guys, it's Sagar from TechWorks. Moto has finally launched the Moto G6 and the G6 Play in India, and today we are going to unbox and take a look at the Moto G6. Now I think Moto is already late to the budget smartphone party which has been going on in India, but I guess it's better late than never. The competition has been trying to get to the customers either by offering great internals and performance, affordable pricing, or a unique design. Moto decided to play on the design card, and we will take a look at it a bit later in the video. This Moto G6 is available at 13,999 rupees for the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant, and the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant is available at 15,999 rupees. It is not only costlier than some of its competing devices, but it also gives up on the Snapdragon 636 and comes with an octa-core Snapdragon 450 processor instead. Alright, let's keep these comparisons for other videos and get straight to the unboxing. As we open the box, the Moto G6 is sitting right at the top. Just as you pick it up, you can tell that it feels very premium, thanks to the Moto X style back design. This is the indigo black color and it looks really amazing in person. Let's just put the phone aside for now and dig for other things in the box. You get a SIM card tray removal pin and some paperwork which includes warranty and regulatory information. Then there is this 15-watt turbocharger and a USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. You also get a white pair of earphones with a few extra ear tips. These are all the things that we get in the box. So now, let's just keep these things aside and get back to the phone. As I said before, the G6 borrows its design from the Moto X4, and it looks amazing, especially in this indigo black color. It feels less wider than most of the phones that I have been using in the recent days, and thanks to the curve to the back edges and the rounded corners, it fits and feels very premium in your hands. Having a glass back also means it will gather a lot of fingerprints. Moto hasn't included a case in the box like some other manufacturers, so if you want to protect the phone, make sure you first get a good quality case for it. At the front, we get a 5.7-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen with 18:9 aspect ratio. There is Motorola branding below the display, and right below it is a thin fingerprint sensor. I really like when fingerprint sensors are placed at the front. It is accurate, but this one is not the fastest fingerprint sensor on a budget device. It can also be used as one-button navigation if you wish to get rid of the navigation buttons. Above the display, you have a 16-megapixel front-facing camera with a dedicated flash and an earpiece speaker. This here is the only speaker on this phone, and it also doubles as a loudspeaker. At the bottom, we have a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer and a 3.5mm audio jack. Power and volume buttons are on the right side, which leaves the left side of the phone clean. SIM card tray is at the top, and it can hold 2 nano SIM cards and a microSD card at the same time. At the back, we have the round camera module, which houses the 12 and 5 megapixel cameras. There is also a Motorola logo below the camera module. Under the hood, Moto G6 comes with a Snapdragon 450 processor, Adreno 506 GPU, 3 or 4GB of RAM, coupled with 32 or 64GB of storage respectively, dedicated microSD card slot, 3000 mAh non-removable battery, and all of the necessary sensors. The Snapdragon 450 is a bit underpowered when compared to the Snapdragon 636 processor, which comes with the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Asus Zenfone Max Pro. But it is just as powerful as the Snapdragon 625, so we should expect a decent performance from this phone. It is running Android Oreo 8.0 out of the box, and Moto hasn't installed a custom skin on the top, so it looks and feels much like a stock Android device. There are a few Motorola apps installed on top to give you features like Moto Actions and Moto Display. And if you have used any of the Motorola smartphones in the past, you know that these actions come in very handy. There was a time when Motorola smartphones were almost second in line after the Nexus devices to get the latest Android updates. But this has not been the case since Lenovo took over the company. The cameras on the back are supposed to be really good, so I will be spending the next few days taking a lot of image samples and hopefully have the camera review ready by the next week. I will also be comparing its camera and overall performance with other phones, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel for that. You are paying 14 or 16,000 rupees for this phone, and you might be wondering whether the price is justified for what you get in return. Honestly, it is too early for me to answer this question. but I feel Motorola should have priced it a bit lower looking at what competition has to offer. I will have to use this phone for a few weeks before I can actually make the judgment. I will be making a lot of videos about it in the coming days, and hopefully you guys can learn more about this phone's performance with each of those videos. For now, I want to know what you guys think about the Moto G6, and do you feel that this price is justified? Let me know in the comments. If you are looking to get this Moto G6, I will leave a link to it in the description. It is available via an open sale at Amazon. That is it for this video, guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.